Tell me when you're ready. Hey, Tony Metal Art, Team Renegade. So now that we've got this tank cut, okay? Yeah, this is a cut, okay? Renegade carries a cut and color bar, so it almost looks like it's already done. But actually what it does is it flattens out the surface, makes it look nice and clean, almost like a finished look. A lot of you want to see the acid wash, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and acid wash it right here in front of you, so that way you can see how it's done and what it looks like and all that good stuff. And then I'll make another video on the finish process with the flannel wheel on a variable speed, and then the Black Magic bar. Like I said, I use all Renegade products. I don't use anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you this acid wash so you can take a look at it. And you always want to start from the bottom and you want to work your way up, so you don't streak it out. So it's pretty easy. You just want to kind of shoot it on there, let it turn white. You don't want to leave it on too long. You just want to let it just kind of do its thing and then spray it right on. All right, so what we did is we completely removed all the polish. There's no polish on there. It's completely gone. So now I'm gonna give you another video of the finished process. I'm Tony Metal Art. Thanks for watching. See you.